How to make colored subtitles in vid.io. So first go to vid.io and then open up one of your projects. So for example, this is my project and this is my video. Now what you can do here first is just click on subtitles here, and then you can just select your language here that you use, and then click on auto subtitle. Okay. Now wait for it to generate the subtitles. Okay, it takes a few seconds. Now from here, you can just select any of the subtitles, colored subtitles that you want to use. Okay. So for example, I want to use this one. Click on it, and that's what it would look like.
Hello, this is the first video or audio for SR.
So you can see, whenever my words are heard, the text changes color. Now, if you want to change the color of some of the subtitles, you can just select this one, and then you can just right click, and then you can see the text color here. Just select your color here. So let's say I'm going to turn it into green. There you go. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.